Hi, in today's video I have a problem for you and 3 questions, and this is not simple Mendelian genetics because we have incomplete dominance. So here is a problem. In snapdragons, red flower color, that is capital R, is incompletely dominant over the white flower color, that is small r. The heterozygotes produce pink flowers, a red snapdragon is crossed with white snapdragon, and F1 generation are intercrossed to produce F2 generation. So question A gives the genotypes and phenotypes of the F1 and F2 generation along with the expected proportions. So here, first of all, a picture of the snapdragons, and as you see, all 3 genotypes and 3 phenotypes present here. So this is red flower, that is RR, capital R, and this is going to be RR, and white is small r, and pink is capital R and small r. So this is going to be heterozygous pink one, and other parents going to be homozygous. One is recessive white and another one is dominant, that is red. So how we can solve this problem? So as we told, we have on one side one parent, that is going to be parent 1, and let's, for example, this is going to be female plant, and on the other side we have parent 2, and let it be male. So here we have 2 capital R's. This is going to be red flower, and on the other side we have 2 small r's. And now let's build Punnett square. So here we have homozygous dominant, and here we have homozygous recessive, and their progeny going to be, each of them going to get small r from male parent and capital R from the female parent. So all of the plants going to be heterozygous, and their color going to be different from this parent that is red, from this parent that is white, and their color going to be pink. So we have the whole generation that is uniform color, and it's pink. So this is F1 generation, that stands for filial. So now we have second part of the question. If we intercross F1 to produce F2 generation. So okay, let's now cross this F1 generation, intercross. So here we have for example, this is going to be small r and capital R, and small r and capital R on this side. And let's make Punnett square here. So what we have here is 2 small r's in this box, small r and capital R here, and small r here, small r here, and capital R, and capital R and capital R here in this box. So what we see here, we see here 3 genotypes. Here is a 1 genotype, here is a second one, and here is a third one. So these two small r's means white color, so this would be like this plant, and this two genotypes, that is heterozygous, would produce pink flower, that is here, and this homozygous dominant would produce red color flower, that is here. So we have here 1 to 2 to 1 ratio. So we have 3 genotypes and 3 phenotypes. And I have 2 more questions for you on the next slide. So here is 2 more questions, and question B: if F1 are backcrossed to the white parent, what will be genotypes and phenotype of the offspring? So here our picture again, and F1 generation, as you remember, were heterozygous that was capital R and small r. So we have to backcross it to white parent, that is small r, small r. We also built our Punnett square, and here in the first box we have small r, capital R, small r, capital R, and here we have small r, and small r, small r. So again we have 2 phenotypes and 2 genotypes. So this is one genotype, and as you see, this is heterozygous and it's going to be pink, and another one going to be white, and this is going to be this one. So this is question B. And question C: if F1 are backcrossed to the red parent, what are genotypes and phenotypes of the offspring? So here is 1 to 1 ratio. So once again, F1 generation were R capital and R small, and we backcross it to parent that is red color and has 2 capital R's, and we once again built our Punnett square, and here we have 2 capital R from both parents, and here also 2 capital R's from the both parents, and here we have capital R and small r, and another square we have capital R and small r. So once again we have 2 phenotypes and 2 genotypes, and this one going to be pink because it's heterozygous, and this one going to be red because it's homozygous and has 2 capital R's. And once again it's going to be 1 to 1 ratio. So this is all for today. Hopefully this information will new and interesting to you. Please write your comments and subscribe to my new videos that I post almost every day. That's all for today. Goodbye.